Most people hear about DeFi and think it's only for experts. But here's the surprising truth. Some platforms make it simple enough for beginners. Today I'm sharing my real usage experience with Furucombo. Furucombo is a decentralized finance platform that allows users to perform multiple crypto actions in one transaction. Instead of moving assets step by step, you can bundle everything into one flow. For example, you can swap tokens, deposit into lending protocols, and stake funds all in one action. This saves time and reduces fees. Most people get this wrong, but in DeFi, transaction fees add up fast. Furucombo helps reduce that by combining steps. The interface is visual and drag and drop. You choose building blocks called combos and connect them to design your strategy. You won't believe what happens next. Once executed, everything runs automatically on the blockchain. In my experience, it works smoothly for common actions like swapping tokens and moving funds into liquidity pools. Security is handled through smart contracts. You keep full control of your wallet at all times. Now the downsides. There is a learning curve. If you don't understand DeFi basics, it can feel overwhelming. Mistakes are reversible. Once a transaction is confirmed, there is no undo button. Also, network fees still apply. On busy networks, costs can rise. So who should use Furucombo? It's ideal for intermediate crypto users who want efficiency and flexibility. But complete beginners should learn basic DeFi concepts first. The surprising truth about Furucombo is that it doesn't reduce risk. It reduces friction. And in crypto, lower friction means faster opportunities, but also faster mistakes. If this review helped you understand DeFi better, subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews before experimenting with real funds. Title start how to create account on bullx.io title BNB script start most people rush into new trading platforms without understanding the basics. But here's the surprising truth. One small setup mistake can cost you access to your funds. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create an account on bullx.io step by step, even if you've never used a trading platform before. bullx.io is a crypto analytics and trading tool designed mainly for tracking and trading new tokens, especially in fast-moving markets. Many people use it for meme coins and early-stage projects. The first step is to visit the bullx.io website. Once there, you'll see a login option. Bullx does not use traditional email and password accounts. Instead, it connects directly to your crypto wallet. Most people get this wrong, but Bullx is not a wallet itself. You must already have a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet before you can use it. Click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet provider, and approve the connection. You won't believe what happens next. Within seconds, your wallet becomes your Bullx account. There is no long registration form, no ID upload, and no personal data required. Your wallet address is your identity. After connecting, you'll see the main dashboard. This shows trending tokens, charts, and trading tools. From here, you can explore without spending anything. To trade, you need funds in your connected wallet. Usually this means having Ethereum or another supported network token for fees and swaps. Most people make the mistake of connecting an empty wallet and wondering why nothing works. You need balance to interact. Bullx allows you to analyze liquidity, token holders, transaction history, and contract details. This is useful for spotting scams or risky tokens. Security is simple, but important. Never share your seed phrase. Bullx will never ask for it. If a site does, it's fake. The surprising truth about Bullx is that account creation is easy, but responsibility is high. Since there is no central account recovery, you are fully in control. If you lose your wallet, you lose access. So who should use Bullx? It's great for active crypto users who want fast access to new markets. But beginners should start slowly and only test with small amounts. If this tutorial helped you get started safely, subscribe for more crypto guides that explain things clearly before mistakes happen.